Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how can you print out your document in Microsoft Word. So first of all, you have to set up your page settings. Here is the margin. You can select any one of them. I am taking normal. Orientation, this is portrait, this is landscape. Portrait is in vertical direction and landscape is in horizontal direction. And this is the size. Different sizes are available: letter, tabloid, legal statement, executive, A3, A4, A5, B4, B5, 11 by 17 envelope. So I am taking A4. Then go to file, click print. Here is our printer and all the settings we have set up already. Now if I want 2 or 3 copies or more copies, I can increase it, but at this time I need 1 copy. So click on print. Now your document is being printed. So if you find this video useful, like the video and hit the subscribe button to get more useful videos in the future.